Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at three top features of the LG Heat Pump Tumble Dryer. It's energy efficient, thanks to the dual inverter heat pump and LG's Eco Hybrid feature. You get smart control thanks to the LG ThinQ app, and it's got the auto cleaning condenser. I'm off to the test lab to see how this tumble dryer can help you go greener. I'm here in the lab, and here we've got our LG Heat Pump Tumble Dryer. And the first thing we're going to look at is energy efficiency, which is something that tumble dryers don't have the best reputation for, but this LG dryer is different. And that is thanks to the brilliant dual inverter heat pump and LG's clever Eco Hybrid feature. Now, whilst I can't physically show you the dual inverter heat pump from the outside, what I can tell you is that with it, you can expect shorter drying times and lower energy usage. And when it comes to LG's Eco Hybrid feature, it's a game changer. You no longer have to worry about choosing between saving time and saving energy. Now over here, I've got a small load of washing that's ready to go on to dry. So I'm going to pop it in. So I've put this on an easy care setting, which currently runs at 1 hour 30 and uses an A++ energy rating. However, if you want to come in a little bit closer, if I pop it onto Eco Hybrid, it can save you up to 30% of time. So this has saved us 20 minutes and it still uses an A grade energy rating. So whilst it's a small drop in energy efficiency, it saves you time and it's better for the environment. Next up, we're looking at smart control, which means that you can check on your drying from the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone or tablet. The handy built-in Wi-Fi means you don't have to keep coming back to the appliance to check on your cycle. Plus, if you've got a Wi-Fi enabled LG washing machine, once it's finished a wash load, it will automatically set the recommended cycle on the tumble dryer, which avoids any confusion and saves you time and effort. And finally, we're taking a look at the auto cleaning condenser, which prevents lint from building up, which means that you don't have to clean. Not only is this super convenient for you as it takes away a messy job, it's also really important to keep the tumble dryer in good working condition so that it keeps running efficiently and uses as little energy as possible. If you'd like more information about this LG dual inverter heat pump tumble dryer, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.